Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. We're gonna do a little trade recap, all right? We're gonna do that. As you can see, we have Euro US dollar. You can clearly see that we did manage to take a pretty great short right here. Right now, we absolutely could have even when the we'll let some partials out. First of all, huge shout out to Mant Effects. This is where I learned a bunch of the stuff from him. Huge shout out to that guy. Like a pretty big brain guy. But yeah, so overall, let's go to the 20-minute time frame. As you can see, oh damn, that was the music that I was playing. But screw that. As you can see, pretty very short. It was 1 to 6.27 RR. All right, let's just talk about just do like a quick recap. As you can see, first of all, here we had that beautiful supply area. This could have been a pretty great short off of the 50% because that was a pretty damn big POI. Well, 5.4 RR just like at the low. After we broke through the structure, we had a change of character. As you can see, these highs right here got induced. I absolutely saw the opportunity. As you can see, this beautiful supply area right here from this last candle that resulted this break. Okay, pretty big break. Like broke multiple, like three lows at the same time. That's when I knew this is a great short. And after that, like see, I just secured the profit hour like at the start. It kept pushing to the downside. Again, we could have let some partials out to go right here. Stop loss at more than a 60%, and after that, right here, I think this is where we're gonna end to move. All right, and it could have been a great 1 to 15 RR. Right now, the smart partials are not gonna be the same as the 15 RR, but yeah, still it could have been a great trade. But yeah, so let's get right here. I think that I did a pretty great job with this trade recap. I think that I basically say the same as you see overall bearish order flow. We were just going to continue to go with the trend, but it's not great if you want if once ever there you have a counter trader, right, to just go to your next supply before you short. It's not bad at all. You can basically go try it out too. After as you see, we broke that low right here. Overall stop loss right here about here. I think that I partial out something, but I personally don't like to partial out. But after you see, everything was right here. So let me know what you thought. Also, if you want to join the Discord, go ahead join it. First of all, just the Discord is absolutely free, not charging for nothing. So have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out and bye.